Hello, this is the unboxing and review of the ICZI mini DisplayPort display adapter to HDMI. So this is something that I bought to use to connect my Microsoft Surface to an HDMI monitor. I bought this on Amazon for $8.99. I believe there's two pieces in here. This is the item number. So it has a warranty card, 30-day money back warranty, 30 to 90 days, 90 to 12 months. So that looks like the mini display port right there, and this would be the full-size display port, and this looks like a full-size display port to HDMI, so I'll need both. Okay, it snaps together like that. Not sure what this little bump is here, some kind of release maybe. Yeah, it locks together, and then there's a release button. Alright, so let's try this out. Hook this into the mini display port. Hook the HDMI. Over here. Okay, it looks like Windows detected it, and I see my Surface screen over there. Now I don't hear any sound coming from the Surface, from my speakers, but that could just be the HDMI cable that I have. Well, looks like it's working though, so that's it. So far so good.